Don't forget to like, subscribe and share the videos.
So this question is all about the SDR, okay, special drawing rights. Okay, it is actually related to the IMF. Okay, so I will go with the example as what is special drawing rights. Okay, so consider India. Okay, so India have the certain resources, foreign reserve. Okay, so they deposit this foreign reserve to the IMF. Okay, in return they are providing us this SDR. Okay, so consider that India is just depositing around $100 million in IMF. In return they are providing the 100 SDR. Okay, so consider that India is in the deficit of the forex reserve. Okay, so they are in the shortage of the forex reserve. Okay, consider that. Okay, so they can't make any payment for their imports. Okay, if there is situation like that, means what that India will do is, India is having the 100 SDR, no, so with this 100 SDR they will approach any countries who are member of the IMF. Okay, so consider that USA is also a member of IMF, so they will approach the USA and they will provide 50 SDR to the USA and they will ask certain money. Okay, in return of that SDR they will provide certain dollars to India. Okay, so this is the system. Okay, so this is all about the SDR. So please note that first thing is SDR is not a currency. Okay, it is like you deposit a certain money in the IMF. In return for that they are providing certain things called as SDR. Okay, special drawing rights. Okay, so this is first thing is it is not a currency. Okay, it is not a currency like US dollar or else euro or something. Okay, so first it is not a currency. Okay, second thing. Okay, next thing is it is not a claim on IMF. Okay, so you deposit a certain money in the IMF, in return they provided the SDR. Okay, but with that SDR you can't ask money from IMF. Okay, so it is not a claim on the IMF. Okay, but using this SDR you can approach any other countries who are member of that IMF. Okay, ask for money. Okay, by providing the SDR to that country and you can ask money. Okay, so it is not a claim on the IMF. Okay, you can use it. Okay, you can claim it in the member countries, not in the IMF. Okay, so that is called as special drawing rights. Okay, you can draw certain money from the member countries. Okay, so second thing is it is not a claim on the IMF, it is not a currency. Okay, so these are the major things about the SDR. Okay, and the third thing is it has a basket of currency. Okay, so using SDR you can claim money, okay, through the member countries. From the member countries you as a pool of money from any baskets. Okay, so basket of currency means it may be the dollar, euro, okay, pound, okay, yuan. Okay, so these are the basket of currencies in that SDR. Okay, you can claim it. Okay, so these are the major things about the SDR. First thing, it is not a currency. Second is it is not a claim on the IMF. Okay, third thing is it is a basket of currency or a pool of currency. Okay, you can claim it. Okay, let's see. SDR. SDR stands for the special drawing rights. Okay, imagine it is a special currency created by the International Monetary Fund. Okay, but that doesn't mean that everyday transactions like buying the groceries. Okay, so it is not a currency. Okay, first thing, It is not a real currency. You can't use the SDR for buying any things at a store. Yes, obviously. Okay, it is a reserved asset. Okay, think of it like a valuable items a country hold on the financial stability. Countries can exchange the SDR for usable currencies like US dollar or euros when needed. Okay, yes. Okay, so forex of India is considered of that US dollars, okay, and the foreign currencies. Okay, afterwards it is consist of this SDR. Okay, so forex of India is covered with dollar, foreign currency, and then SDR also. Okay, so it is a reserved asset. Okay, because in the exchange of this SDR you can get certain foreign currency. Okay, so it is also comes under the forex reserve. Okay, next thing, it is a basket of currency. The value of SDR is based on the combination of major world currencies like US dollar, euro, Chinese yuan, and Japanese yen, and British pound. Recently added is that Chinese renminbi. Okay, so this basket approach helps to make it more stable than relying on a single currency. Yes, obviously. Okay, supplementing the reserves. Okay, so these are the things. So SDR basket is made up of US dollar, euro, British pounds, and Japanese yen. Recently, Chinese renminbi was added it. Okay, so these are the major things. Okay, so it is a fifth currency. Please note that already there is dollar, pound, okay, and then dollar, pound, euro, okay, Japanese yen, and lastly it is added with Chinese currency. Okay, so there are 5 things in this basket. Please note that they may ask it. Okay, so the choice was made at the IMF for 5 years assessment. Okay, these are the things about it. So the answer is actually D. Okay, so these are the things about the SDR. First thing you have to note it is not a real currency. Okay, second, it is not a claim on the IMF, but you can use this SDR to get the money from the member countries of the IMF. Okay, so these are the major things about the SDR. Okay, thank you.